A contrapositive is a proportion or theorem formed by contradicting and interchanging both the hypothesis and the conclusion of a given proposition. Okay, remember the hypothesis, it's in a conditional statement, an if-then statement. The hypothesis was the first part, the conclusion was the piece after. So what we're saying is these two are logically equivalent. A contrapositive is when we reverse the pieces and we negate them both. So if P then Q is our original statement, then the contrapositive is not, if not Q, then not P. All right, the negation and that reversal of that conditional statement. These are always equivalent. Let's prove it, all right? With this nice little truth table, we're going to verify that these two are actually always equivalent. So true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. We're going to need both of the negations, and then we're going to need our two separate conditional statements. So not P, not Q. Well, not P is false, false, true, true. Not Q is false, true, false, true. And now we need our two conditionals. P implies Q, and not Q implies not P. So true, false, true, true. Be very careful when you do your not Q implies not P, because remember the conditional here, the direction is this way. So they're written backwards. You can't just look at it how I looked here from left to right to determine the truth value. So this is false implies false, true. True implies false. That's the one that's false. False implies true is true. True implies true is true. So the secondary one was the only false statement there, which we could have seen coming because once again, we knew these were equivalent statements. I had stated with definition that a conditional and its contrapositive are equivalent. But here we got to show it. We got to prove it. All right, they are logically equivalent.